Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. Please join me today. Let's make this simple chicken and the vegetable sauce. Let's get started. I've got here 1 kilo of chicken laps, which I've cut into smaller sizes and also washed thoroughly. And for the vegetables, I'll be using these green bell peppers, the green, red, and the yellow bell peppers. I will also be using some carrots and some green beans. I'll be using these spices to season the chicken. I have here some curry powder, thyme, ginger powder, garlic powder, some chicken seasoning, and the salt. I will also be adding these chopped onions. I'll leave the names of the spices I use in the description box below. I've gone ahead to add the washed chicken in the pot. I'll now add the onions and the other spices. I'll add little water to it. Stir it. Cover and allow it to cook for about 7 minutes before I will now add more water, which I will use to cook the whole sauce. I'll add the water to cover the chicken. You can add less if you don't want much water like this. And I'll also add some dry pepper. Sorry, I didn't show you that earlier on. I'll add some dry pepper. You need pepper in the food. I'll then cover it and allow it to cook until the meat cooks very well. And while the meat is cooking, I'll prepare the vegetables. And here we have all the vegetables prepped or prepared. Please don't forget to wash your vegetables thoroughly. I will also be adding some sweet corn. To thicken the sauce a bit from all that water I added it, I'll be using some corn flour to it. I'll add some corn flour. I'm using 1.5 tablespoons of corn flour. I'll just add some water to it, dissolve it, and then get it ready to add to the chicken sauce. The chicken is well cooked now and it's delicious already. I tested it. The salt and the pepper I added it are all okay for it. Test yours and adjust the spices to your own taste buds. And then I'll go ahead now and add the corn flour which I mixed as our sauce binder. I'll then go ahead and add the green beans. I like to add this and allow it to cook even if it is for 30 seconds before I add the other vegetables. After about a minute, I now add the other vegetables. After adding all the vegetables, I'll then cover and allow it to cook for just 2 minutes, and then our sauce will be ready. And after 2 minutes, our chicken and vegetable sauce is done. Put off our gas. And here we have the chicken vegetable sauce for your white rice or yam or even pasta. It goes well with any of them. And we have come to the end of today's video. Thank you all for cooking with me. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also share the video to your community or your loved ones. You never know who will need it. Thank you all so very much. I really appreciate. And to those who have been sharing my video, I really appreciate. I see you all. May God bless you. And if you are just tuning in for the first time, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe and also share the video. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and stay safe. Love you all. Bye bye.